Yo, what is going on, guys? Everything Tech Time here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Windows 11 version 23 H2 not installing. Basically, this is this really annoying error where when you try to update Windows to the latest version of Windows 11, it always says it's updating, and then there's an error, and it'll never update to the new version of Windows. And there's a lot of videos on YouTube that show how to fix this, but pretty much all of them, they don't really have definitive solutions. They just have a bunch of different things you can try, just a bunch of different ideas, and hopefully they work. But this video is a little bit different. This is a definitive solution on how to fix this error, because I had this exact same error, and this is exactly what fixed it. So basically, you're just going to start by opening up Google Chrome or whatever web browser you want. Go to microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. Right here, I'll have the link in the description for this. You want to go to this website and skip past these. You want to find the ISO here, download Windows 11 disk image file. Select download, download now. I'm going to go English for the product language, confirm. And we get a download link right now, so just download that. Save. Alright, now this is going to take a few minutes to download, so I will be back when that is done. Alright guys, this is finally done downloading right here, as you can see. So what you're going to do is open up File Explorer and go to where the download file is and just double click it. And when you see this, just click open. And there we go. As you can see here, it mounted the DVD drive, so it's as if we had just plugged in, or it's as if we had just inserted a DVD for Windows 11. Basically, you just want to click it. Yes. And as you can see, it'll open the Windows installer. It's on my other screen, so let's move it up here. And you'll see here, install Windows 11. So all you want to do is just click next and let it check for updates. This will take a second. Alright, so right here you just want to accept the terms of service and let it check for updates again. Alright, it is finally done and ready to go to update Windows 11. Now one thing you might be thinking is that if you're doing it this method, that it's going to factory reset your machine because you're using a Windows 11 install ISO. But actually, it has the option right here, keep personal files and apps. Just make sure this is checked. And if you do that, which is, I'm pretty sure it's the default, you will keep everything and it'll basically just be like you're updating Windows 11 to the latest version, except you're not doing it from Windows Update because that fails every single time. You're instead doing it from here. So all you're going to do from here is just click install. I'm not going to click it because I've already dealt with this whole process and I've already updated, and that's how I figured out this solution. So I'm not going to, I don't even think this will do anything because I'm already at the latest version. So yeah, just click install and it'll update just normally, except this time it won't fail. And you'll be good. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I really hope this helps some of you guys out who are having problems with Windows Update, because I know I definitely was, and I'm just really glad to get it fixed, and just want to get this video out quickly to show you guys how I fixed it, and just hope that some of you guys can use this and it helps you guys with your Windows updates. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Any video suggestions, leave them down in the comments. I'll try to make it happen, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.